Kia ora, my name's Penel Fletcher and we're out here today at the Taupō Airport redevelopment project. And where I'm standing right now is right on the slab for the new airport terminal. So it's double the size of the existing terminal, and right over here we'll have the entranceway and your check-in for Air New Zealand and Sounds Air. And we'll have the new cafe and bar area. I just also want to bring your attention to the new car park, which is going to be about 121 sealed car park sites. It's going to be a lot more secure, a lot more open, and we're replanting some wonderful native trees. All of this is happening over the next 12 months. We're looking for an end date of approximately December 2022. So watch this space. Things are exciting. They're happening here.